Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I had company coming over for dinner the other night and I thought they're gonna want some hors d'oeuvres, and you know what? I want a snack too. So I decided to make up these broccoli cheese balls. Absolutely delicious, few ingredients, you can make them in no time. Let me show you how to do this. So what I have here to kick things off are some broccoli florets, and I'm just going to boil these up. So once my broccoli's boiled up, and this is about a couple of cups, I'm just going to add this to a bowl. Then I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of grated cheese, and this is the charcoal cheddar. You can use Colby, whatever you like. A cup of Panko breadcrumbs, one of my all-time favorite breadcrumbs. A couple of shallots or onions, just kind of finely chopped here. About a teaspoon of minced garlic, like I always say, to keep the vampires away. Crack in a couple of eggs. Well, let's get cracking. Some salt, and I'll throw some over my left shoulder just for good luck. Ground black pepper, one of my all-time favorites. Take my handy dandy spoon and mash and mix this up. Next up, after we're all mashed up, I'm going to take my ice cream scooper and scoop up a heaping scoopful. Place it in the palm of my hand, and we're just going to kind of roll this into a ball. Something like this. Now I'm going to place this onto a wire rack that I brushed down with some olive oil, because I'm going to air fry this, but you can put it in the oven, you can fry it, whatever you like. I just like air frying. Okay, now they're all rolled up and looking nice. I'm going to slip them into a 390 Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until they're a nice golden brown. So after about 20 minutes, guys, they're beautifully golden brown and crispy. Just look at this. And there you have it, our broccoli cheese balls. And you can serve this up with your favorite sauce, ketchup. I'm using a chipotle mayo as well. You can use a yogurt dip, just about anything you like. So let's dig in and give these a taste test. Guys, these are so good, the perfect hors d'oeuvre. All the flavors shine through. You're going to love these, your guests are going to love these, everybody will love them. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.